Keep watching this video because I'm going to show you how you can make $1,400. That's right, $1,400 by creating videos without putting yourself or your face out there. How I'm going to do this, I'm going to walk you through the entire process. And if you're good, you realize that you can make a nice $17,200. Now, if you don't apply this method the right way, you can end up for the entire month making $90. Now, who wants to make $90 for the entire month? Not me. So if you want to, that's totally up to you. For the people who is going to stick and watch this video, you're looking at making $1,400. As I said, you can even make $17,200. So let's go right into the video, and we're not going to waste any time on this one. So let's do this. Now, the first thing that you're going to do, right? We're going to be heading over to TikTok. Now, TikTok, you're not going to create any videos on here. What we're going to be doing here on TikTok, we're going to be finding viral content and viral videos that are going. So because we're going to be using TikTok, and we also going to be using a little bit of affiliate marketing as well, because that's how we're going to make some money in the back end. This is how you're going to be crushing it. Now, there's a lot of things on here that you can find. Perfect example, you could type in dogs, as you can see here. And when you type in dogs, you will see all the accounts related to dogs. There's one with 1.6 million. There's one with 155K. There's one with 396. There's another one with 6.7 million. So you get the idea. Perfect example, let's go with dog, cat, right? So here on this, you'll find a lot of different videos that are going viral. Now, if you look at some of these videos, there's like 16,000 views, there's 11,000 views. If you scroll down some more, this one is 43,000, this one is 18,000. This one over here is 281,000 views. Now, what I would do, I would go onto these accounts and I would find the videos just like this that has a lot of views. And I'm talking about 200,000 plus views, right? 1 million views, like right here. 500,000. And now where I'm going with this, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be finding these viral videos and we're going to download them. Now we're going to download them and we're going to be removing the actual watermark from these videos. So we're going to head on over to Google and we're going to type in what we call snaptik.com. So you go over to Snaptik, here's what the website looks like. So if you click on this, right, keep watching this video. As I said, if you want to crush it, make sure you keep watching. This is a downloader that you can use. You could use it on your desktop. You can use it on your smartphone. If you don't have a computer, you could just go straight with your smartphone, right? So perfect example. So we're going over here. Let's say we find this one with 1.5 million. What we're going to be doing, we're going to be copying this link right here. So we're going to copy the link, and I'm on a desktop, so you're going to have to copy it on your phone. I'm going to go back over here. I'm going to paste this link right here. So when I paste this link, I'm going to be clicking on the download. As you can see, it says, please wait, right? Now it says download other video. That's not something that I want to do. It says Snaptik. You got Snaptik download resources 1, server 1, and all that. Now here, what we're going to be doing, we're going to be downloading this one. All right. So let me close this out. Close this ad right here. Okay, so do you want to allow? Yes, I do. All right, and here is the video. So this is the video right here. And if I play it real quick so you could see, there's absolutely no watermark, right? There's no watermark. There's no watermark to say, hey, the content is here. Now, some of you will say, well, are you stealing content, Andre? Absolutely not. That's what I'm doing. That's not what I'm doing. I'm repurposing this information. But what I'm doing is I'm removing the actual the name from here, and what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be giving credit to this particular TikToker. So of course, I'm also going to use this and say, I got the video from here when I repost it again, right? I'm going to make sure that I add this on here because that's totally okay. People get content from different people, but as long as you give them credit, they don't care. This is not copyright. This is not copyright infringement and all that. Because I know some of you are going to say, well, I don't know, Andre. This look at copywriting. No, this is what people do. People do this on Instagram. People do this on TikTok. People do it on YouTube, everywhere. So once you download the video, right, the next thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be creating a YouTube channel. Now, it's pretty easy. All you got to do is just go and create a YouTube channel. If you don't know how to do that, there's plenty of videos on here. Just go to Google, sign up for Google, create the YouTube channel, and then you do that. Now, for this example, what you could do here, you can go to, I'm going to click on this where it says upload video. So once I click on upload video, this is my YouTube channel, right? You're going to drag the video, if you're on a desktop, drag the video and put it here and you're going to upload it. So when you upload it, all you have to do is make sure you put a title that you want to call it. You can preferably use the same title that you got from this TikTok video. You could say long story, please read patiently. Please protect your pets and give the dog some love, right? So you could do the same thing. Once you do that, you want to make sure that you use some tags and all that. Now, here's the deal. We're going to be creating shorts. And if you don't know what shorts is like the new TikTok reel. It is the new Instagram. It's only a minute. So you're not going to just upload it. You want to make sure it goes into the short category, right? Once it goes into the short tabs, and I'm going to show you so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Now, if you look on my channel here, right, you see these videos, these are shorts. All these videos are shorts. So YouTube is coming out with shorts, and that's what you want to do. By the way, if you haven't liked or subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you do that. They're coming out with this, and you can upload very short YouTube. So if you're on desktop, you will see it pop up. But if you're on your phone, people on their phone, that's what people do. They're just watching a lot of shorts. Then you're going to go over to Digistore 24, right? So we're going to go to Digistore 24. We can make sure that we find we can find stuff with animals, right? We want to find stuff with animals. We could go with green products environment. We can look to see if there's anything over here for dogs. If you don't get it over here, I'm sure you can go over to ClickBank, because ClickBank, they do have products for dogs. But why am I just saying dogs? You can do this for anything. You could do this for, health and wellness. You could do this for make money online niche. You could do this for woodwork niche. Pick something that you can go and get a lot of videos, get a lot of content, and then you upload them. Upload them here on YouTube, and then you create a short video. Then you're going to put your affiliate link, right? Perfect example. Let's say you get this product. All right, so here we go. We got animals and pets. So we got animals and pets. There we go. This one is very popular. This one seems like it is, this looks like it's a horse, but let's scroll down. This is cat. All right, there we go. This is dog. Now you could just promote this by clicking on promote. All right, they accept this. I'm gonna copy this link, copy the link, and when I upload the video, I'm gonna place that link in the description of the short tags. That's how you're going to be getting. Now, you're not going to expect to post one video and say, well, Andre, I tried this thing and it didn't work. Or you post 2 videos and it didn't work. You have to be consistent. And being consistent meaning if you need to post 5 times a day for the next 90 days, that's what you got to do. And when you do that, you're going to get and generate money from YouTube, and you're also going to be making affiliate commission. Why am I sharing you this? It's because I got a channel myself, and that's what I'm doing. All right, so I got a channel that I'm promoting products on, and it's all short videos. What I do is I'll just take a day and I just download a bunch of videos, and each day I just upload them. So if you do that, I could tell you right now, you could go out there and you could crush this in fine style over and over again and just do good. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for checking it out. And if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure you check out the first link in the description. Go sign up right now and make sure that you give me a shout out. Appreciate you. Bye for now.